how to change WhatsApp username and how to delete WhatsApp username. So both of them you can do in the same place. You're going to want to click the bottom right hand corner on the WhatsApp app to click the use section. Then you want to scroll down and click on account. Then in the account section you'll want to click on username. There you'll see your current username that you have. At the top right you can click edit. That's going to allow you to be able to click on change username or delete username at the bottom. If you want to change username, you'll be able to go in there, delete the current username you have, change it to something else. I'm not showing my exact username on screen, but you can see there it needs to be a username which isn't taken already. If you do have a username that isn't taken, you'll be able to click save at the top right, then that'll be your new username. If you want to delete it, you'll just have to click delete username. You can click delete there, and that will be making your current name go away and you won't have a username. So that's how it's done for now. Leave a like on the video if that was helpful and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.